Yeah, that's our prayer. That's the aim, that Jesus is the one that will be seen, that will never be a distraction, but vessels through which he can flow. Hey.
Amen.
So we would love to sing with you now, and we want to sing the hymn, Come Thou Fount of Every Blessing. But what we're going to do is we're going to do verse 1 and 2, and then we're going to sing a little part that isn't in the hymn book. And then we will go to verse 3. So those who are giving us lyrics, we're just going to get you to pause after the second verse, and we're going to sing a little chorus as it is. And you'll catch on pretty quick because it's easy. And then we'll sing that third verse, and then we'll sing that little new chorus again, okay? So you'll have lyrics for the main hymn, Come Thou Fount of Every Blessing.
The words.
They'll get it.
Come thou fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me ever to adore thee, may I still thy goodness prove, while the hope of endless glory fills my heart with joy and love. Here I raise my Ebenezer, hither by thy help I've come, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to arrive at home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God, he to rescue me from danger interposed his precious blood. Come thou fount, come thou King, come thou precious Prince of Peace. Hear your bride, to you we sing. Come thou fount of our blessing. Come thou fount, come thou King, come thou precious Prince of Peace. Hear your bride, to you we sing. Come thou fount of our blessing.
That's pretty easy, isn't it? So we'll do the third verse, and then we'll do another chorus. Thank you. These are my lyrics. Unison, yes.
Oh, to grace, how great a debtor, daily unconstrained to be. Let thy goodness like a fetter bind me closer still to thee. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it, prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, oh, take and seal it for thy courts above. Come thou fount, come thou King, come thou precious Prince of Peace. Hear your bride, to you we sing. Come thou fount of our blessing. Come thou fount, come thou King, come thou precious Prince of Peace. Hear your bride, to you we sing. Come thou fount of our blessing. Come thou fount your bride, to you we sing. Come thou fount of our blessing.
That was beautiful. Do you like that new little chorus? Yeah, absolutely beautiful. You're going to have a little few minutes of beautiful organ music, and then we will sing again.